times at the sink before I breathe. Blinds all straight, nothing out of place. It's not about being clean or neat. It's fear hiding with a different face. They say it's quirky, they laugh it away, but they don't hear the voice in my head all day. Check the door, say the line. It's a ritual dressed up as peace of mind. But I'm not broken, just caught in a storm, repeating patterns I never chose to form. A therapist's voice, a hopeful spark, said you can step into the dark. So I'm walking through it, not around, sitting still as the panic pounds, letting go though it makes no sense, leaving fear without defense. It's not perfect, but it's true that healing starts when I refuse to do what I've always done. Today I break the loop and run. Grace in the cafe with gentle eyes, slid me a paper and read the signs. ERP, she said, it's hard but real. Face the fear and let it heal. Now I leave the stove unchecked, let the clutter sit on my desk. Every thought I used to erase, now I write down and give it space. A crooked frame, a door left closed, a breath held still when the voices rose. One step each day, no final fight, but progress born and holding tight. So I'm walking through it, not around, sitting still as the panic pounds, letting go though it makes no sense, leaving fear without defense. It's not perfect, but it's true that healing starts when I refuse to do what I've always done. Today I break the loop and run. Every step I take, the fear still knocks, but I don't need to answer anymore. The ritual was my shield and chain. Now I'm walking through the open door. So I'm walking through it, not around, sitting still as the thoughts come loud, letting go of who I used to be, making space to finally breathe.